Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension. We're out in the garden messing around picking stuff today, and we're looking at tomatillos. I get a few phone calls now and then about tomatillos. People are kind of confused because the tomatillo is a husk and it's hollow. Just one little tomatillo down inside of it. Well, this is how tomatillos grow. They make the husk first, and then the fruit grows until it splits the husk. So if we look down in here, we'll see there's one that's starting to split the husk. There's one with plenty of room in it. And then here's one that is dead ripe. Now a tomatillo will turn yellowish and get a purple tinge on the side when it's completely ripe, unlike the ones we buy in the store that are as green can be. So that's how you know your tomatillos are ripe. The husk will split and eventually they turn a light color.